We're here now standing in front of Casa Batlló by the artist Güell. What about the one next door? It gets no love. It's kind of cool. Arrived in Barcelona. Our last stop. Sad.
3 days here though.
This is true, 3 days here. I can't wait. We made it to Barcelona.
Say what?
How appropriate, our room number.
312, our area code.
Yes. Gotta use the key.
Nice simple room here. There we go. Like, do we have a view? Come on. We got somewhat of a view. All right, we are here in Barcelona. We are on a rooftop deck.
I thought we were taking a picture. I'm like...
We got a great view up here. You can see the whole city from up here. It's great.
Beautiful. You can see everything from up here.
Where are we going, babe?
Look. We're gonna go up this. We're going to Casa Milà and then we're headed to the ocean. I've been wanting to go to the ocean all day long.
Babe, how did the bikes go?
They didn't work out so well. It's just a little too congested. But let's try it. Round 2, walking in Barcelona.
What's going on now?
Round 5!
Well, we circled back around to the hotel. We got a little lost, so we really had one of those days. Hey, babe. We are here in the park. We are walking to the beach. We just saw the arch. Yeah. We lost the map. Lost the map. Originally we were going to take bikes down here, but they gave us, instead of like beach cruisers or kind of comfortable bikes, they gave us like professional 10-speed bikes. And then the traffic in Barcelona, it was so congested and so many people out. It was a little, it's just really uncomfortable when you're just not used to riding bikes in those conditions, also having a camera, but so we...
And Ryan's camera was touching the bar of the 10th Street,
yeah.
so that didn't help either. The camera was getting shot. Look at the gondola over there.
The gondola? Where's the gondola? Gondola.
The lift.
All right.
The gondola lift.
We're gonna go zoom in on the gondola.
Gondola lift. The gondola lift.
We're gonna haven't been able to hit a gym, so this looks like a good opportunity.
What are you gonna do?
We are walking over to the Sagrada Familia.
Yep. We got tickets.
We're going to do a tour there. Looking forward to.
We got the extensive tour.
Yeah. That's all there was left because everything else is sold out. So we had to get VIP. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Alright, we are standing in front of the Sagrada Familia. It's absolutely gorgeous. See it up there. It's still under construction. We're going to go on a tour and get the full history of it.
It's gorgeous. Let's go.
We're going in. What'd you think?
Oh, it was pretty great. I really wonder how much use they get out of it, though.
We'll have to Google that when we get back to the hotel. She's convinced that it's just all for show.
Well, not all for show, but like the little nooks and crannies, if you peek in, it looks like it's never even been used. We gotta look it up.
Alright, we are at the front entrance.
We made it. Look at that.
So babe, you hear the parrots up there? You can hear the parrot. There's parrots up there. Hopefully we'll get a couple of them on tape. I see them all flying around back there.
Yeah.
Fighting over the stick. We are at Park Güell. Am I saying that right? Or Gully?
Yeah.
Alright. Walking around, it's beautiful.
It's awesome. We couldn't get tickets to go into like
Maybe we'll come back and get tickets later.
to go into like the city center, but look at it turns around.
Alright, let's. So these little statues, apparently they're all taking poops. Even E.T. here is taking a dump.
We're at this little coffee shop.
Get some lunch.
Get a little sandwich action.
We're gonna get on the hop off bus.
Yes.
Puff it out. It's a little cold on top.
A little cold?
Yeah.
But you know what? The good thing is the sun's out.
Yeah.
The sun's out now. Maybe we'll give it a whirl. At least we can do the red line. Hey.
What?
Here we eat for a sandwich.
No. Okay.
Yeah. So we're even.
Pretty incredible, what do you be pretty much a fat cat living in this place.
Oh yeah. We're here now standing in front of Casa Batlló by the artist Gotti.
What? Nothing but fat cats?
Nothing but fat cats live here. Actually, I don't think anybody lives here.
I think it's a museum. Or,
It is a museum.
Yeah. I don't think it's just fat cats.
Well, you know. At one point it was.
Yeah.
Just fat cats. What about the one next door? It gets no love. It's kind of cool.
What's the what? Fat cats live here?
Fat cats live here.
Yeah. Any fat cats live here?
Yeah, I think so. We're right here doing the roundabout.
Nada, 2 chibiritas na cara.